Thank you for joining us here on ClickTHouston.com. It's going to be a stormy afternoon, very quiet this morning, but once we get closer to 4 p.m., we'll start to notice these scattered storms popping up. Not everyone will get hit. The widespread action is really going to set in tonight, but a 40% chance of rainfall this afternoon with temperatures in the mid-80s, and some of these storms could produce some severe weather. We have a massive storm system moving into the Plains states. That's going to throw a cold front right into North Texas. So this afternoon, and especially this evening at 5 p.m., we have scattered storms with heavy rain and also the possibility of some very gusty winds. That action will last overnight into early Saturday morning, and in fact Saturday morning some of those storms could be training. That's heavy rain going over the same areas for hours and hours, which is why we do have that threat of flash flooding. The cold front stalls out over southeast Texas on Sunday, and it's going to meander across our skies for Monday and Tuesday, keeping rain in the forecast. But the worst of the weather and the severe weather is really going to be tapering off late on Saturday and especially into Sunday morning. So let's tackle the first complex of storms. That's going to be this afternoon and also leading into Saturday. Quiet this morning. Once we get closer to 3 and 4 p.m., though, you start to notice those scattered storms popping. They can produce some heavy rain with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Street flooding is a possibility. It does become more widespread overnight, and then on Saturday, we're looking for a line of storms to develop. Those can have some gusty winds, and it will not take a very strong wind gust to cause some tree damage. Our soil is so wet that even a wind gust of 30 to 35 miles per hour could take down a tree, and some of these strong storms can pop winds in excess of 40 to 60 miles per hour. We'll keep it pretty stormy through Saturday. You will see breaks in the action from time to time, but we remain unsettled with that threat of heavy rain in the forecast through Sunday morning. We're expecting 2 to 4 inches of rain, isolated spots 5 to 8 inches. There's a look at those strong winds that I was discussing. Also, the possibility of some hail, frequent lightning, and tornado. The risk is minimal, but it's still on the board, so something worth looking out for. Here's the Futurecast model for our rainfall totals. Again, area-wide about 2 to 4 inches, but those isolated spots, those are the spots where we will have a flooding concern. Could see 5 to 8 inches, and even a few of our computer model runs trying to pump out up to 10 inches of rain, and that's going to be because of those training storms. That's where we will have the highest rainfall totals. A flash flood watch begins at 1 p.m. That's going to continue through early Sunday morning, and we do have a coastal flood advisory posted for Chambers, Galveston, and also Brazoria County. So watch out if you do live along the coast and especially the bays. We're looking at temperatures in the mid-80s today, a 40% chance of rainfall. Again, those storms starting in the afternoon. It really ramps up overnight into Saturday. Still unsettled on Sunday, and then Monday and Tuesday, just some scattered showers in the forecast. That threat of severe weather will be gone at that point, and the extended forecast is looking really good. Finally, some sunshine, a much more quiet weather pattern setting in for the middle part of next work week.